Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix TracFone mobile data not working for Android and iPhone. Why TracFone mobile data not working? Weak signal or no signal. A weak or no signal can prevent your phone from connecting to the network. Aeroplane mode. Ensure that the aeroplane mode is not enabled on your phone. Service plan expire. Your plan might have been expired or you have reached the limit. Network settings error. Incorrect network settings can also prevent your phone from connecting to the network. Fix 1. Check if an APN profile already exists. For iOS, go to your device settings, then General, then Profiles. If the device has the data profile with the Wi-Fi turned off, test a few websites to ensure the data is working. If the data is still not working, contact the TracFone customer service for further assistance. If the device has a data profile other than, select the existing data profile and delete the profile. You may need to enter your passcode to confirm. Continue with the next step if the device do not have a data profile set. If the device doesn't have a data profile set, connect your device to a secure Wi-Fi network. Open the Safari web browser and visit the URL. Follow the prompts to install the TracFone data profile update. Once the update is finished, exit the browser and turn off the Wi-Fi. Reboot your device. With the Wi-Fi turned off, test a few websites to ensure the data is working. If the data is still not working, contact the TracFone customer service for further assistance. For Android, follow the below website for assistance with the APN configuration for your phone. Go to visit the TracFone website and enter your phone number. On the page, follow the directions provided to configure your APN settings correctly. Fix 2. Turn on and off the aeroplane mode. You face data issue if the aeroplane mode is enabled on your phone. For iOS, open the control center on your iPhone or iPad by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. For Android, open the notification bar by swiping down from the top of the screen. Look for the aeroplane mode icon in the notification bar and tap it to turn it on and off. Fix 3. Check the TracFone balance and usage. Method 1. Use the TracFone website. Your plan might have been expired or you have reached the limit. Check the balance and the usage history by following methods. Log into your TracFone account. Go to the TracFone website and log into your account dashboard. Manage your line. In the dashboard, click on Manage Lines option. Check plan and usage details. On the Manage Lines page, you should see the plan and usage detail for your line. Method 2. Use the TracFone My Account app. Open the TracFone app and sign in with your TracFone account logins detail. Click on the Account tab and check your remaining balance and install a widget on your home screen to display your balance. Method 3. Call 7771 hash. Dial 7771 hash from your TracFone device. This method is only available for some phones and may not work for all devices. Method 4. Text balance to 611611. Text the word balance to 611611 from your TracFone device. You will receive an automated text message response containing your balance information, including your talk, text, data totals, as well as your service and data. If required, buy a necessary plan for an interruption service. Fix 4. Check the network coverage. Ensure you are in an area with the good network coverage. Go to the TracFone coverage page. Input your zip code in the text box. Click on Enter Location button and check your coverage in the area. Change your location and see if there is any improvement in the signal bar in your phone. Fix 5. Check for the device software update. Ensure your phone software is up to date. Old software version can cause the network issues. For iOS, go to Settings and General, then Software Update. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install. Tap on Download and Install and enter the passcode if prompted. On Android device, open the settings and go to System. Click on the System Update. It will check for any available update. If an update is available, you can download and install it. The update will download and then prompt you to install it. Your device will restart and install the new iOS version. Fix 6. Try different network modes. If your phone is set to 4G or 5G, try switching to 3G or 2G to see if that resolves the issue. For Android, go to the Settings app, click on Mobile Network and then Mobile Network Mode. Switch to 2G. For iOS, go to your iPhone's settings app, then cellular option, then cellular data option. Select the network mode 2G/3G. Wait for a few seconds and again change to 4G. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings will eliminate any issue while processing the signal or device network settings. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on the reset and select Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode to confirm the action. For Android, open the settings, scroll down to System and then Reset. Reset Network Settings and select Reset Confirm to Action. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.